Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach you about reading any PDF file information or any image information using PDF info tool and using ExifTool. So I'll be using these questions here to teach you how. Stay with me, and please, if this one is not for you, please I'll advise not to watch. First thing first, navigate to the directory containing the PDF file or the image file. Mine is in rooms, then intro digital forensics. After navigating, let's do this question. Using PDF info, find out the authors of the attached PDF file called ransomletter.pdf. So we'll use PDF info. So then ransomletter.pdf, let's just copy direct. Paste. So here we are told title, pay now, subject, we have Gato, author and Grace. So we are told to find the author. So you'll just come copy and Grace, she's the author. Then creator, Microsoft Word 2016, producer, model. As you can see, PDF info tool gives you all the information about the PDF file you want to read. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Using ExifTool or any similar tool, try to find where the kidnappers took the image they attached to their document. What is the name of the street? So we'll use ExifTool. So we'll go to ExifTool. Then instead of using ransomletter.pdf, we'll go with letter image dot jpg. So here we have this information: creation date, digital creation time, application record version, time created, image width, image height, and but we are more interested in the location. So here we have latitude. This is our latitude, and here is our longitude. So what we do, we'll take the latitude and longitude together, and where we have deck, we'll do it like this. Latitude is 51, 51. We'll replace deck with the following sign. So we'll come take our latitude, which is 51, deck 30, like that, and our longitude together, but we'll replace deck with this sign here, and we'll make sure we remove all the spaces. So our latitude will be like this, then a little space, then our longitude will be like this, and then we can copy it all and search it on the Google map. Copy. Let's go to Google. We paste and search our location. Here is our map now. Yes, yes. And as you can see, here is the street, Milk Street. And that's your answer. You get that as your answer. So you'll come here and write the answer, Milk Street. Then last question, what is the model name of the camera used to take this photo? You'll still go to the information of the photo, have name, directory, file size, go, and here we get it, the camera model name. And as you can see, our camera model name is Canon EOS R6, and that's your answer. So in case if you don't have this tool called pdfinfo or ExifTool, I'll show you how to install. If you don't have pdfinfo tool, you'll install it with the following command, which is sudo apt install popular -utils. Yeah, this command here, sudo apt install popular -utils. And to install ExifTool, you'll use this command, sudo apt install libimage ExifTool-pal. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay with me for the next video.